you. Would you like to learn it? It's about paper boats. Do you like paper boats? Have you made paper boat? Is this beautiful? Can we sing the song now? Yes? It's raining, it's pouring, the paper boats are sailing. I saw them this morning, floating ahead. Now they are soggy and wet. Now they are soggy and wet. Children, what is soggy and wet? Look at this paper boat. It is dry. It is not wet now. But what will happen when we put it in water? Do you want to see? Come with ma'am. Okay children, this is a bowl of water and ma'am has the paper boat. Let's put this paper boat in water. Let's see what will happen. Oh no children, after we put the boat in water, it has become soggy and wet. Okay children, now do you want to make a paper boat? Yes? With your mummy's help, you can make a paper boat. Okay, ma'am will tell you how to do it. First we need a square sheet of paper. Okay, and fold the paper into half. Press the fold. Now fold it again. Again press the fold. Okay, now we have a small square of paper. Now we have to fold this corner. This corner of the paper you will fold. You can ask your mummy for help, okay? See this? We have folded that one corner. Now we have 3 papers this side. 1, 2, 3. All these 3 papers you will fold to the other side. Okay. Now we have a triangle. Now we have to open and fold. Open and fold and then pull out the corners. Okay, here we have our boat. See this? This is our paper boat. Ta-da! Is it nice? Yes? It's raining, it's pouring, the paper boats are sailing. I saw them this morning, floating ahead. Now they are soggy and wet. Now they are soggy and wet. It's raining, it's pouring, the paper boats are sailing. I saw them this morning, floating ahead. Now they are soggy and wet. Now they are soggy and wet.